Hey y'all, so my son got this new TV to go in his room above his desk, but we didn't want to put this TV, he's using it for a monitor, so we didn't want to set it on his desk out of fear that it would get knocked over or get messed up. So we got this TV bracket, and it was so very easy to put to the wall because all three screws go in a line, so you find one stud and you're good to go. You don't have to find, three different studs to mount the bracket horizontally. It mounts vertically, so you find one stud, you put all three screws in, and the bracket is up and ready to go. The TV hooked right into it so easily. My husband, I swear, did not even say one cuss word, so that is a win in my book. But it comes all the way out, and then it can also tilt down and up, and then it can swivel left to right. So he can put it exactly where he wants it, if he wants it up snug to the wall or if he wants it out closer to his face. It's very easy to use. You can literally move it with just one hand. It's very easy. It's nice and smooth. You don't have to worry about it falling or being wiggly or anything. I mean, it's just so easy. It can articulate any kind of way you need it. So I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for a TV bracket for the wall, especially for how easy it was to install it. So I cannot say enough great things about it. I will definitely use this kind in the future for our other TVs. Would highly recommend it. So definitely a thumbs up for this one.